Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your phone number on the Discord app for PC with the brand new update. If you've recently switched numbers or just want to keep your account secure and up to date, following these steps will make the process quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, and right next to it is a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open up your user settings. When the settings open, you'll automatically land on the My Account page. If for some reason you're not already on it, just click on My Account from the side menu, so you're in the right place. Now, here's where you'll find the option to update your phone number. Look for the section that shows your account details, including your username, email, and phone number. On the right side of the phone number row, you'll see a button that lets you make changes. Click that button. A new prompt will pop up asking you for your updated phone number. Type in your new number carefully, then proceed to the next step. Discord will now guide you through a quick security check to make sure you're the rightful account owner. Just complete the steps shown on your screen. Once that's done, Discord will send a 6-digit verification code directly to the new number you provided. Check your messages, grab the code, and then type it into the prompt on Discord. This step confirms that your new number is active and accessible. Finally, for extra security, Discord will ask you to enter your account password one last time. Type in your password, and then click the Confirm button, and that's it. Your phone number has now been successfully updated on the Discord app for PC. With your new number in place, your account will stay secure, and you'll have no trouble using two-factor authentication or account recovery in the future.